Welcome back to Mental Models Daily, where we explore one mental model each day to help you elevate your daily decision-making. Today, we're examining a concept that helps explain why some companies thrive for decades while others quickly fade away. Sustainable competitive advantage. Sustainable competitive advantage refers to the unique strengths that allow a company to outperform competitors over the long term. Unlike temporary advantages that can be quickly copied or neutralized, sustainable advantages are durable and difficult for competitors to replicate. These advantages create a moat around a business, protecting its market position and profitability. It's like having a secret recipe that others can see the ingredients for, but can't quite figure out how to mix together to get the same result. Historically, we can see sustainable competitive advantage illustrated by the Venice Arsenal in Renaissance Italy. Established in the 12th century, the arsenal became Europe's largest industrial complex by the 16th century, employing thousands of workers who could produce fully equipped merchant or naval vessels using the world's first assembly line process. At its peak, the arsenal could produce one ship per day. An astonishing feat when shipbuilding elsewhere took months. This advantage came from a combination of specialized labor, standardized designs, stockpiled materials, strategic location, and institutional knowledge that rivals couldn't match for centuries. Venice leveraged this manufacturing advantage to dominate Mediterranean trade and naval power for over 400 years. It's like having a manufacturing process so advanced that by the time competitors figure out your current methods, you've already developed the next generation. In today's business landscape, consider Zapier, the automation platform connecting various web applications. Zapier's advantage comes from having built thousands of integrations with other software platforms, creating a network that becomes more valuable with each new connection. This extensive integration library represents years of development and partnership building that new entrants would struggle to replicate quickly. It's like having built a city with thousands of roads connecting to every important destination. Newcomers might build a few roads, but they can't match your comprehensive network overnight. So how can we apply the concept of sustainable competitive advantage in our daily lives? Firstly, in your career development, identify and invest in skills that create durable advantages. Look for capabilities that are valuable, rare, difficult to imitate, and non-substitutable. For example, combining technical expertise with strong communication skills, or industry-specific knowledge with broad problem-solving abilities creates a skill stack that's harder to replicate than any single skill alone. It's like developing a personal brand that makes you uniquely qualified for opportunities others can't easily compete for. Secondly, build systems and processes that improve with time and use. Whether you're managing personal finances, maintaining health habits, or developing knowledge, look for approaches that compound and create increasing returns. This might mean creating documentation systems that make future learning easier, or building relationships that open doors to new opportunities. It's like planting fruit trees that yield more abundant harvests each passing year, rather than annual crops that require replanting. Lastly, recognize and leverage the competitive advantages in your personal circumstances. Your unique combination of location, network, experiences, and resources may provide opportunities others don't have. Rather than trying to compete where you lack advantages, focus your efforts where your specific situation gives you an edge. It's like recognizing that your garden gets morning sun but afternoon shade, making it perfect for certain plants but challenging for others, and planning accordingly. In conclusion, sustainable competitive advantage helps us understand why some entities maintain superior performance over long periods. By identifying durable advantages in business and personal contexts, we can make strategic decisions that compound over time, rather than delivering only temporary gains. In a world obsessed with quick wins and overnight success, this mental model reminds us that building lasting advantages often requires patience, strategic thinking, and understanding the difference between fleeting trends and enduring strengths. Thank you for joining me today on Mental Models Daily. Until next time, may your advantages be sustainable, your moats be wide, and your strategic decisions stand the test of time. For more mental models, please visit mentalmodelsdaily.com or find us on X or Instagram.